Okay, everybody. On this Monday afternoon, Crunchyroll has just revealed that season season 1 of Chainsaw Man will be 12 episodes exactly. Again, everybody, Chainsaw Man's anime, at least for this first presumed season, will be 12 episodes exactly. Um, so, so, so obviously that's around that's around 3 months or 90 days worth of material. It if season 1 it is able to be continuous week after week. Also, the dub trailer for Chainsaw Man has also been released today, and it sounds pretty good. But again, guys, season 1 of Chainsaw Man will be exactly 12 episodes.